Hello, welcome to GTech Techno Solution Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about time and work. Let us see a few important formulas in order to solve the questions based on time and work. If we say that X can do a piece of work in n days, then the work done by him in 1 day can be obtained by using the formula 1 by n. So, we can also say that if X does 1 by n work in a day, then he can finish the work in n days. We have a situation over here where M1 men can do W1 work in D1 days, working H1 hours per day. M2 men can do W2 work in D2 days, working H2 hours per day, where all the men work at the same rate. Then we can form the equation as below. M1 multiplied by D1 multiplied by H1 divided by W1 will be equal to M2 multiplied by D2 multiplied by H2 divided by W2. So, we can equate the work and the men and the number of days working using this equation. If we consider that X can do a piece of work in P days and Y can do the same work in Q days, then X and Y together can finish it in P into Q by P plus Q days. So, that will be the formula used for calculating the total work done by X and Y in P days and Q days respectively. If we say that X is thrice as good as Y in work, then the ratio of work done by X and Y can be written as 3:1. The ratio of time taken to finish a work by X and Y will be 1:3. That is because X is thrice as good as Y. That means if Y takes 3 hours to complete a work, then X will take just 1 hour to complete the work. So that is in case of time. That is 1:3. Let us see our first example on time and work. It is given that Sam can do a work in 15 days and Shiva in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of work that is left behind will be how much? Our options are given as 8 by 10, 15 by 8, 11 by 8, 8 by 15. Let us see how to solve this. The logic behind this question is that it is given that 2 individual persons' working capacity and the number of days they do a work. Then we have to find each person's capacity of working in a single day. From that, you have to derive the amount of work they did together in 4 days. Assuming that the whole work as 1 and subtracting your A, that is the amount of work they did together in 4 days, you get the fraction of pending work. Let us see how to apply this logic to solve your question. If you see, Sam can do a work in 15 days. So, Sam's 1 day work is nothing but 1 by 15. Shiva's 1 day work is 1 by 20. Hence, Sam's and Shiva's one-day work can be obtained by adding 1 by 15 with 1 by 20. Taking LCM for 15 and 20, we get 60. So, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Hence, 7 by 60. Sam plus Shiva's 4-day work is 7 by 60 multiplied by 4. That gives you 7 by 15. So the remaining work is, considering your completed work as 1, will be 7 by 15 subtracted from 1. That gives your answer as 8 by 15.